So yeah, I've just put the screws in for the hard drive. So that just goes straight here. Just slide on. That's it. Hang on. Just get this right. That's it. All I'd have to do is put a screw in. So that's there. Let's get my drill. That's in. That's steady. Right. And then all I do is put my hard drive cable in. So this is this cable. Like so. And let's go here. Should go straight in. There we are. That's in. Let's show you that. That's there. That's that. Next, it's just a power cable. So it's this Molex 4-pin. So I'll just plug one of them in here. That's in like that. So that should be it so far. You can put a CD drive if you want to, and a few other bits. I do have a fan already installed in the case, so I'm just going to go ahead and plug the 3-pin in. So that should be around here. That's there. That's there. Let's plug that in. That's it in like so. I think that should be it so far. So if you wanted to put 2 CD drives in, you can. You can put a floppy drive or a USB reader. So this is just the basics. If you just want a basic computer, this is how you do it. So thank you for watching. Please comment, subscribe and like.